Hey family, welcome back. I wanted to make a video, real short video for you guys today on how to repair your coaxial cable. Okay, this particular cable, two types of cable. One is a RG6 and a RG59. Primarily you want to use for better quality is the RG59 cable. And it is located, it's printed on your cable if it isn't worn off. So in order to repair this, you'll need a cable splicer or cutter. So this little gizmo. You'll need some connectors, RG59, and you're gonna need a compression tool. We'll make this real simple, real quick, okay? First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit. So I'm gonna cut this tip. A solid cut. You'll see I have some stragglers there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my splicer, a cable cutter, okay? I'm gonna lay my cable in there. There's two teeth inside of this, two blades in there. So I always give mine a little pinch, just to make sure it's in there. See that? Pinched it, get a good bite, and I'm gonna take my finger, I'm gonna twist it. Now there it is, we'll do this. And there you have it. Okay. On that, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna grab my new connector. Okay. I'm simply gonna feed it through until I see it inside of there. I'm gonna give it a little push. You see, it's in there. And take my compression tool. So I'm gonna lay this down in there, feed that cable through the center there, and get it to lock. Now that's locked, I'm simply gonna squeeze it.